Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process on your HP ProBook 450G7, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean microfiber cloth. Ensure you're working in a well-lit area and have all your tools handy. First, power down your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows for it. This step is crucial for your safety and to avoid any accidental power on during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the laptop. You will typically find several Phillips screws securing the screen assembly. Carefully unscrew them using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a small container so you won't lose them during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently use your plastic prying tool to separate the screen bezel from the screen itself. Start at one corner and carefully work your way around the edges. Be patient, as applying too much force can damage the bezel. If you're hesitant about doing this yourself, keep in mind that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can be a great option. After the bezel is removed, you will see the screen assembly secured by additional screws. Remove these screws and then gently disconnect the screen's video cable from the motherboard by pulling it straight out. Make sure to handle this cable with care to avoid any damage. Now, take your new screen and connect the video cable first before securing it with the screws. This is an important step to ensure everything is functioning correctly before fully assembling the laptop again. Next, carefully align the new screen with the hinges and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it's firmly in place but avoid over-tightening, as this can lead to stress on the screen. Before reattaching the bezel, it's a good practice to clean the internal area of the laptop. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any dust or debris. This keeps your laptop in optimal condition and can help improve airflow. Now, it's time to reattach the bezel. Press it firmly into place, ensuring that all clips snap in securely. If you don't have the tools or time for this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop repaired without the hassle of travel. Finally, replace the screws on the back of the laptop to secure everything in place. Reinsert the battery if applicable, plug in the power source, and power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your HP ProBook 450G7. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you understand the costs involved should you need professional help. Always remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device back in working order with minimal hassle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.